welcome to Sagada. 4 PM, time check. So umalis tayo doon 5:30 AM. So almost 12 hours. 10 hours, no? Oh, yun. So, pero ang dami pa namin stopover niyan. Chill ride lang, chill ride. Saya si ate, oh, nakarating ng ano.
Just trust me, you'll be fine. And when I'm back in Chicago, I